Looking for the best leg workouts to build strength and muscle? Well, you've stumbled upon the right place. Today, we dive into the top 5 exercises that will sculpt your legs into pillars of power. Firstly, we have the granddaddy of all leg exercises. The squat. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart. Hinge at your hips, push your butt back, and bend your knees to lower your body as far as you can. Keep your chest upright. Push yourself back to the starting position. That's 1 rep. Squats target the quadriceps, hamstrings, and the glutes, providing a comprehensive lower body workout. Aim to include squats in your workout routine 2 to 3 times a week. Next up, we have lunges. Start by standing straight. Step forward with one leg, lowering your hips until both knees are bent at about a 90-degree angle. Make sure your front knee is directly above your ankle, not pushed out too far, and your other knee should not touch the floor. Push back up to your starting position. Lunges work your glutes, quads, and hamstrings. Try to incorporate lunges into your routine 2 to 3 times a week. Our third exercise is the deadlift. Stand with your midfoot under the barbell. Bend over and grab the bar with a shoulder-width grip. Bend your knees until your shins touch the bar. Lift your chest up and straighten your lower back. Take a big breath. Hold it and stand up with the weight. The deadlift works the entire posterior chain, including your hamstrings, glutes, lower back, and calves. Incorporate this power move once or twice a week. Moving forward, we have the leg press. Sit on the machine with your feet on the platform shoulder width apart. Lower the safety bars and push the platform all the way up until your legs are fully extended but not locked. Lower the platform until your upper and lower legs make a 90-degree angle. Push the platform back to the starting position. The leg press primarily targets the quads but also works the glutes and hamstrings. Aim to include this in your routine once or twice a week. Lastly, we have calf raises. Stand up straight, then push through the balls of both feet to raise your body upward. Keep your abdominal muscles pulled in so that you move straight upward, not forward or backward. Then slowly lower yourself back down. This is a great exercise for targeting the often neglected calf muscles. It's recommended to include calf raises in your workout routine 2 to 3 times a week. And there you have it. 5 powerhouse exercises to build strength and muscle in your legs. Remember, consistency is key in seeing progress. So, start incorporating these exercises into your routine and watch your strength soar. Until next time, keep pushing your limits and sculpting those legs.